Shiba Inu have a long history that goes back to the summer of 2021, when people started petitioning Robinhood to list Shiba Inu. Robinhood finally listened to the sheep army and listed the token, but the trading giant didn't stop there. They also bought a lot of sheep and are now one of the biggest holders of Shiba Inu. If you're interested in Shiba Inu, Robinhood's actions could send its price through the roof. Or, if you own any SHI tokens, you can't miss this movie. What's the latest Shiba news and new coin news? What does Robinhood and Shiba have to do with the news these days? How will this affect the value of Shiba Inu? Find out in today's movie. I will answer these questions and tell you all about the new information that has just come out about Shiba that will make her more valuable. I put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, before we go any further, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. To enter, you must be a subscriber, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Also, good luck. The sheep news will soon be moved to a second channel. Check out the movie. Please see the link in description and pinned comment to see that, as well as the subscribed channel with alerts turned on. But before we get to our topic, let's look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on March 6th, shall we? The price of a SHI NIP today is about 3,418 units. It has dropped 21% in the last 24 hours, and $11.2 billion worth of trades have happened in that time. The token is also the 11th most valuable cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $20 billion. Please note that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This content is not based on real-time prices. For money tips, check out our new official Telegram channel. We gave away some great free stuff through the link in the description, and people liked the group a lot. Now let's watch today's movie. In the world of cryptocurrencies, prices can change a lot in a short amount of time, and investors are always looking for the next bait chance. SHI's announcement of the launch of a new product will push her to delete 2 zeros. Even though market has recently taken back some of its products, there is still hope for fans of SHI Inu because the company's head, Shoshi Kusama, says that a big change is on the way. The ups and downs of Bitcoin and how sheep did Bitcoin's price went up and down a lot, hitting highs of over $69,000 and lows of $61,000. This sent shockwaves through the market and led to more than $1 billion in liquidations. However, Bitcoin has managed to recover a bit and is now selling at around $66,000, according to CoinDeco. The same even though Shiba Inu, who are often called the Doin Killer, took a big drop, she is still in the black for the week with an amazing 230% rise in value. Teased by Kusama and investment guesswork, Shoshi Kusama recently used cryptic tweets on social media to hint at an upcoming statement that could change the way sheep are raised. Husen sparked investor rumors by implying that important plans were being made for a service or product with a sheep theme. People are looking forward to this news, which has led to a lot of guesses about what it might be about, from new ideas in decentralized finance to new uses for the sheep token. Hama also made a bold prediction about the value of the Shiba Inu market, saying that it could reach $100 billion during this market cycle. This claim, along with GF, made sheep buyers even more excited. People are optimistic about sheep's growth because of its strong community and ongoing development efforts, which have helped it recover from market downturns and bring in new investors as speculation and expectations rise. All eyes are on Shoshi Kusama and Shiba Inu team as they get ready to reveal their newest project. Could this announcement be the spark that sends sheep's journey to new heights, possibly deleting zeros or beyond? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, the Shiba Inu community can't wait for the next part of her journey. If you're still watching, please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything. And thank you. As buyers show more interest in the Shiba Inu, high new heights how much the second biggest meme coin is worth on the market, Shiba Inu is ahead of many rivals in a number of areas. Its success in creating its own ecosystem is one important factor that makes people more optimistic about its long-term future. The quick rises in the value of Shiba coin have made people wonder what its future dollar value will be. A week ago, the market value to realized value ratio for Shiba Inu was about 0.5. What does this mean? If an altcoin has such a low MVRV ratio, it means that its price is seen as low and doesn't attract investors, which means that investors don't have faith in it. However, as Bitcoin's rally above 60,000 sped up, this ratio suddenly jumped to 1.29, which suggests that something has changed and the level is now overvalued. Now for the main story of today's video. 1.8 trillion Shib shift in the last few hours. Robinhood buys a piece of 1.25 trillion cryptocurrency that looks like a sheepdog. Shiba Inu has been the star of the week so far, with a price increase of almost 300% in the last 7 days. Along with the price increase, whales are moving a lot of Shiba Inu tokens, either to speculate on the price or for business reasons. In the last 24 hours, 1.8 trillion tokens have been moved, which is a huge amount of movement. Even further back, in the last 48 hours, a huge 1.25 trillion sheep were sent to an address called Robinhood 2, according to Etherscan crypto data tracking whale alert. 3 huge Shiba worth of new moves have happened in the last few hours, adding up to almost 1.8 trillion sheep in 2 deals. The Wintermute cryptocurrency exchange sent almost 346 billion sheep to the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. In one transaction, 167 billion sheep worth $5.28 million were sent from Winter to Binance. In another deal, 183 billion sheep worth $5.55 million were moved. This big change in the number of new tokens in Shiba can be seen in whale measures like the amount of money coming in and going out. Big holders, the inflow from into the block, shows how much money is coming into Welsh addresses, and the outflows show how much money is leaving, for example Shiba. Since February 29, when prices went up, there has been a huge increase in large holder inflows into Inu. Shiba Inu have seen a 1,143% rise in large holder inflows in the last week, while large holder outflows have gone up by 799. But how many sheep does Robinhood hold? Robinhood Markets shocked Wall Street with its latest quarterly earnings report, which showed a big shift toward profitability thanks to more cryptocurrency deposits and more monthly active users. The platform reported a profit of $30 million, or 3C per share, which is a huge change from the same quarter last year, when it lost $166 million, or 19 cents per share. What crypto focus paid off Robinhood's financial resurrection has been driven in large part by its strategy focus on cryptocurrencies. Seeing a huge $4 billion increase in crypto deposits in just January, the company had its fastest growth month since the beginning of 2021. Robinhood was able to take market share away from standard brokerage giants Shiba Inu holdings that are exploring new frontiers in addition to its large Bitcoin holdings. Robinhood has also put a lot of money into Shiba Inu with 38 trillion coins worth $1.3 billion in total. This variety shows Robinhood's smart move into new cryptocurrencies to take advantage of chances. Beyond Bitcoin, Robinhood's success in the cryptocurrency market shows how strong and flexible it is in a financial world that is always changing. The platform will continue to add more cryptocurrencies and draw more users. The company still has a good chance to grow and make money. Robinhood's strategic focus on cryptocurrencies has not only helped the company turn around its finances, but it has also cemented its position as a major player in the digital asset arena. Many of our subscribers say they are not going to sell sheep for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in new developers and the real-world value of cryptocurrencies. People who are holding sheep should write down how many they have in the comments part below. Let's praise the person holding the sheep for trusting and believing in the process. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you liked the video, please subscribe and let us know what you thought of Shiba in the comments. Also, make sure you turn on post alerts so you know when we post a new video. The Bitcoin halving is coming up soon, and it will have a huge impact on the value of Shiba Inu. Watch this video right now to find out what price sheep will hit when the Bitcoin halving happens.